Welcome to Beautyistic, where we bring you honest reviews and expert insights on the latest beauty products. Today, we're diving into a styling duo that promises to simplify your hair routine and keep your locks protected from heat damage. If you've been searching for the perfect tool to create frizz-free, sleek curls without the hassle, this one might just be for you. Let's start with the Chai Spin and Curl Special Edition, Mint Green. This tool is designed for shoulder-length hair between 6 to 16 inches, and its ceramic rotating barrel is a game-changer for effortless curls. The barrel heats up in no time, with 3 preset temperature settings to suit different hair types. Whether you have fine, medium, or coarse hair, this tool has got you covered. For fine hair, it heats up to 370°F, medium hair to 390°F, and coarse hair to 410. The beauty of this device is that it automatically adjusts the heat up time based on your hair type. Just 15 seconds for fine hair, 17 seconds for medium hair, and 19 seconds for coarse hair. This feature ensures that you don't have to worry about burning your strands or waiting forever to start styling. The Spin Curl not only creates beautiful curls, but also fights frizz and static. Plus, it comes with an auto temperature lock and an automatic shutoff feature after an hour. So it's a great pick for anyone who might forget to turn their styling tools off. The design is sleek, and the mint green color gives it a modern, fresh vibe. Now let's talk about the Chi 44 Iron Guard Thermal Protection Spray. This clear, 8 Effortless bottle promises to be your go-to for heat protection. Whether you're using the Spin and Curl or another styling tool, this spray ensures that your hair stays safe from high temperatures. It has a lightweight formula that glides on easily, and it helps maintain a smooth, shiny finish. I've been using both products for a while now, and I can confidently say they've made a difference in my styling routine. The Spin Curl makes creating curls so much easier and faster. I love how the barrel rotates and guides my hair into place, reducing the need for extra steps. The end result? Soft, shiny curls with minimal effort. The Iron Guard spray does its job by adding an extra layer of protection before I use any heat styling tools. I appreciate that it doesn't weigh my hair down or make it feel greasy, and it definitely adds a bit of extra shine. Now, no product is perfect, and while I do love both of these, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. First, the Spin and Curl is ideal for shoulder-length hair, but if your hair is longer or shorter, it may not work as well. Also, because the barrel is relatively small, it might take a bit longer to curl all your hair, especially if you have thicker strands. But if you're in the target range for hair length, this tool really shines. As for the Iron Guard spray, it's a great addition to your routine, but if you're looking for a heavier hold or a more robust anti-frizz formula, you might need something stronger. It's more about heat protection than styling, so keep that in mind when considering your needs. Is it worth the price? Absolutely. The Chai brand is known for creating high-quality, durable styling tools, and the performance you get from both the Spin and Curl and the Iron Guard spray justifies the investment. These tools are reliable, safe, and effective, so you're not just paying for a pretty color, you're paying for professional-grade performance. If you're looking for alternatives, there are a number of similar styling tools out there. Brands like Dyson and Remington offer high-end tools that also provide heat protection and quick styling, but they tend to be priced higher. On the more affordable end, tools from Conair and Revlon might offer comparable features, but won't have the same high-quality ceramic barrel or advanced settings. Ultimately, if you're someone with shoulder-length hair looking for an easy-to-use, effective way to create curls, this Spin and Curl is worth considering. It's a solid choice for everyday styling, and it doesn't require a professional to get those glossy, frizz-free curls. So, is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching, and if you've used the Chai Spin and Curl or the 44 Iron Guard Thermal Protection Spray, let us know what you think in the comments below. We'd love to hear about your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.